Meet Raja. Raja is a street dog. He was recently a victim of a railway accident where his legs were completely crushed beneath the railway tracks. He had to go under extensive care for his legs to survive. So today I will be sharing a story of Raja, of his successful recovery, of how he went from this to this. Raja was a victim of a serious accident where his legs were completely paralyzed from the body below. When we got a call from a local saying that a dog was shouting in pain, our two brave volunteers, Neetu Dhanuki and Amarjeet, arrived at the scene. When they saw Raja, Raja was not even able to stand on his own legs. He was in complete shock and pain. They decided to rush him to the vet immediately for medical treatment to see that his legs could survive. After the vet finished his examination, he said that the dog's leg wouldn't survive. The only way he would be able to stand again if he was put on a wheelchair. So we decided to see if his legs would survive by healing him before sealing his fate. So we sent him to the medical center at Bhayander. We gave him massage therapy every day and made him walk every day. In the beginning, Raja was facing difficulties while walking. Slowly but surely his legs were healing. A few days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months, and he was finally able to walk again. We were really happy to see this from what we had heard.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, please like, share and subscribe and give our effort a big thumbs up. Thank you.